What's up guys, Rick with RallySportDirect here. It is August, we've got some new products in, excited to show you guys. Let's get this thing going. All right, let's get this thing kicked off with some new brake kits from R1 Concepts. Now, this is their brake kit, of course available in either silver or this beautiful matte black, which is going to help prevent rust and corrosion and looks absolutely killer. Now they do come with pads, and the pads are what I would consider to be an aggressive street pad, probably gonna be much better than what you've got on your car and certainly better than what came from the factory. Now the best thing about these is the attractive price point. You can get into a full set front and rear for about the price of one OEM rotor, which is incredibly impressive because of the performance you're gonna get out of these, the looks with that beautiful drilled and slotted design, and it's just a fantastic brake kit all around. So if you guys are looking for a brake upgrade, well, definitely check out R1 Concepts first. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. And next up, how about some all new axle back exhausts from CPE? These ones are gonna be specific for the 15 Plus, WRX, and STI. Now we've already installed these and did a few videos, which you can check out in a link below. And these two differ mainly in the construction and the look. Obviously this one with the black tips and dual mufflers, and then this one with the silver tips and, well, muffler-less design. This one's gonna be a little bit more aggressive and obviously lighter, and this one's gonna be a little bit more subtle. Both are going to be incredibly easy to install, and they both sound fantastic and look incredible, especially with that beautiful coating that comes on each one of them. So if you are looking to get rid of that wimpy factory axle back exhaust and go with something that looks way better, sounds way better, well, you now have two new options on the market. Which one you go with? I don't think you could go wrong with either one, but ultimately it's up to you. Check them out. And next up, something new from StickerFab. Now we've been bringing in a ton of their products, but I wanted to show these to you guys because, well, I actually think they're pretty freaking cool. So these are tail light overlays. Now you can get these in a bunch of different tints. This is what they call their smoke, so it's kind of somewhere in between. But if you are sick of kind of that, I don't want to call it ricer, but that ricer look that the factory loves to give us, well, something like this is going to help really kind of smooth out those bright chromy colors. And this is a very simple and quick way to improve the look of the factory taillights. Now StickerFab offers a ton of different stickers, whether you want overlays or emblems, basically anything you can think of, they've probably got it. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your looks and you're not looking to spend a bunch of money, StickerFab. The Bracketeer. So this is a universal fire extinguisher mount that you can install on the seat rails. Being universal, you can mount it in just about any car, and I've already tried it in a few here and it all worked perfectly. Now how this works is, of course, you've got your fire extinguisher, not included, and once you get the actual bracket installed in your car, you buy the fire extinguisher of your choice. It's going to mount like that. You mount it somewhere where it's easy to gain access to, so you can quickly and easily grab your fire extinguisher and either put out a fire, be a hero, or, well, save your car from ultimate destruction. Either way, carrying a fire extinguisher in your car is always a great idea. The biggest problem is, well, where do you mount it, right? And so this solution is absolutely perfect for clean and easy and out of the way yet accessible at the same time mount for, well, a little fire extinguisher like this, and that's a-okay by me. So if you have been looking into a fire extinguisher for your car, definitely check out the Bracketeer. And last but not least are the new adjustable toe arms from ISC. All aluminum construction, spherical bearings here on the rod ends, and then an incredibly wide range of adjustment. So why would you want them? Well, if you're wanting to get rid of the factory toe arms, whether you want better handling and performance, or if you've lowered the car so much or raised it so much where your factory toe arms just don't have the adjustment range to get you back into spec, these are going to be absolutely perfect, and they're gonna look killer on the car. So if you are needing a set of new toe arms, well, definitely check out ISC. And we're done, that's all we've got. But I will say there were so many items that I wanted to show you guys on this one. I just wasn't able to because they're out of stock. And that's just the way it goes with all the craziness going on. But if you wanted to see some of my other recommendations, well, click the link down below. It'll take you to the new products page. You can see everything that we've got new and fresh here at RallySportDirect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Hope you guys have a good one. See you next month.